Welcome to today's Simplicity Specialty Training. Today's training is on the collector basic process. The screen that we're on now is called the home screen. Typically, when you log into Simplicity, you'll be on the home screen. From here, your collectors can do a number of different things. I am logged in as an administrator. For collectors, if you set a preset filter for them, they can select a configuration. So for example, if we select this particular preset configuration and click load, okay, it doesn't look like there was anything in that particular filter, so let's go ahead and try another one. Okay, so these are the accounts that come up with that preset configuration. So if you were to set a configuration, so for example, you can select the collector, which you would want to do for this particular example, because we are working on the collector basic process. You'd select the collector name. You would select potentially a client. You could select a collection status. Any of these filters are available to choose from. You would name your configuration here, click Add, and then the collector could select it from the drop-down as long as they have access to the filters. Okay, so that's one option for the collector basic process. The other option is to actually end one of the accounts to do the same thing, only using the quick search filter. We can use this filter button here, load the configuration, and have those accounts pop up to the left of the screen. From here, a collector can work the account. They can add a quick note. Once they have made their calls, posted a payment, what have you, they can move right on to the next account in the list. Okay, and this list stays up to the left of the screen the entire time. Okay, so when a collector working an account, they can access their other accounts this way and process them this way. The other thing that they can do is they can access work. They would access them in the same place, but an admin would have to create the work list for them. Okay, and if there had been data within that work list, it would appear here. So there's just two different work lists are a little bit more specific. Okay, so if we go to settings and then work list configurations, you can see we have a filter, action code statuses, ticklers, tickler due dates, payments due, next date, and balance due. So if you were to create a work list, again, they would just access it the same way by clicking on this filter, selecting the preset work list, and clicking Apply Filters. Okay, any questions about the collector basic process? All right, if there are no questions, we'll go ahead and conclude today's training. Thanks so much for attending.